Wednesday, July 9th. Walkthrough for 9621 Myrtle Creek. Here we go. All right. Everything seems to be in a good shape. The lights are working. Still having a little bit of stuff left here. Washer and dryer. Fridge. Here's the master bedroom. Ceiling fan is working. Master bathroom. The walk-in closet. All right. Dining room. Here's a carpet with some spots on it. Ceiling fan is working. Rods are here. Blinds are here. Just a couple spots on the carpet. Going to the guest bedrooms. Well, here's the bathroom first. Looks nice and clean. Here's the bedroom. This spot on the carpet. And then here's the other bedroom. Looks good. Okay, let's go on the linen closet. Everything's still here. And let's take a look in the backyard. The backyard looks nice and clean. Everything looks nice and good. Congratulations.